All right, what's going on, everybody? 10 Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins here with a weather update for, well, today's Friday, but we're going to talk about the rain that's actually going to be moving into the area basically through the upcoming weekend. First real good shot of tropical moisture is moving into the area today. It's already been here. You've probably seen the first round of rain that came through this morning. Second round moving through now. Eastern Pasco, Hernando counties, Polk County, especially northern Polk County now dealing with quite a bit of shower and thunderstorm activity. And then I think we'll actually get a few more for later this evening. Then tomorrow and even on Sunday, it'll be more afternoon and early evening rainfall than what we're seeing out there right now. So let's start up here. Let's do a little quick radar check. Hernando and Pasco County, pretty good thunderstorms moving through, but the good news, they're actually moving through pretty quickly. If you're getting any kind of minor flooding, anything like that, that is a possibility. I'd love to see any kind of pics that you can send in. So you can put on my Facebook page, Bobby Deskins Weather. These storms here will move out of the area, and if you look upstream, we've got a little bit of a break, so I'm not expecting a whole lot more rain, but I can't rule it out. Just isolated showers, especially for the next 3 hours or so, Pinellas and Hillsborough County. Now, Polk County, look at that thunderstorm complex moving through. Between Winter Haven and Polk City and almost all the way up to Citrus Ridge, this thing is crossing I-4 right now. I think the heaviest actually will be north of I-4 here in the next 15 minutes. So it'll be more rain than anything else back out towards Legoland and all the way down towards Bartow. Hardy, DeSoto, Highlands County, now it's just a little bit of light rain left over. You can see all this in here. There's not a whole lot to that there. So we're looking pretty good. Bigger picture, we put the satellite in here too. We actually have some pretty good thunderstorms blowing up offshore. We'll watch it right over here. See the top of that blow off? Winds are out of the west-southwest, so they're going to blow the tops of these clouds our direction. So, you know, Sarasota, Bradenton, not much going on right now, but you will actually be more cloudy than anything else once the tops get over you there. And that actually will, I think, drift a little bit to the north as well, too. So, quite a few clouds around for the rest of the afternoon. Look where this moisture, I mean, we've been tracking this right for a better part of a week, seeing it coming up from the south. But you can see all the moisture that's down over Cuba. And look at those wind arrows. You see them? Coming in from the south, southeast right there. In fact, coming in from through the Bahamas, the Turks and Caicos, all the way up through Florida. That is the flow that's bringing in this tropical moisture, and it's going to stick around all the way through the weekend. 85 degrees right now. Look at the dew point, 74-degree dew point right now. That's the humidity out there, and that's really not going to change much this weekend. Because of the extra clouds and the showers, temps are generally in the mid-80s. Won't get too much warmer than this. We've had some breaks of sun, and I think you know, as we go through, obviously, the rest of the afternoon hours, sun angle will lower, and we won't get too much warmer than where we are now. All right, here's the forecast for the afternoon. You can see the rain that's in Pasco and Hernando moves to the north and the east. Fairly quiet along that I-75 corridor. Better chance, this is 5 o'clock, by the way, for Polk County, Hardy, DeSoto, Highlands. And you see that? You see this, what's forming here will get pushed back to the west. So this is 7 o'clock. Now we're talking Fishhawk, Lakeland, Plant City, almost to Brandon as well, Winona, Sassa, Eastern Pasco County. Now, this doesn't look to be as strong as the storms that have rolled through, but certainly some showers and thunderstorms coming all the way back to the coast through about midnight. So plans for this evening, we are going to be dealing with some of that, right? We are going to be dealing with showers and storms coming back to the coast. Now, if you just saw that little blip that was right there, the model's suggesting that we get a few showers and storms after midnight. This is about 4 in the morning. I think we'll see few. I don't think we'll see a whole lot. And then tomorrow morning we'll start relatively dry. And then here, let's go to the afternoon. That's about 4 o'clock. And there you go. Showers and storms are pushing, starting inland, and then you're going to see them be a little bit more widespread inland, and then watch the evening hours. Some will try and come back towards the coast. So overall coverage will be lower tomorrow, and I think even lower on Sunday than what we'll even see tomorrow. So rain chances going back down, but definitely going to see some rain throughout the weekend. Rainfall totals, highest inland, Polk County, 1 to 4 inches, about half an inch to 2 inches or so. You get back out towards the immediate coast. One of the issues that we could see is heavy rainfall. So this is the Weather Service saying, look, an excessive rainfall outlook's at a marginal today, and that's today, this is tomorrow. And basically that means the rain that we could see could be heavy at times. We're talking, again, 1 to 4 inches of rainfall. We could get some minor flooding out of it. I think there's actually a better chance that it dries up a little bit because of the fact that we got a bunch of dust headed our way, and I'll show you that first. Here's the forecast for tonight. Scattered showers through the evening hours, that's for Tampa. Tomorrow, yeah, watch for some rain first thing in the morning. Mid-morning should have a break, and then the afternoon and evening hours will mainly be inland, but a couple will come back towards the coast. So expect, especially afternoon and evening storms for tomorrow. The winds have started to pick up. It's not terrible out there now, but southerly winds will pick up and will go 10 to 20 knots, and so we'll keep those breezes through most of the weekend. 60% chance Saturday, 40% on Sunday. So you see it dropping off. And one of the reasons why, here, let me back up, is no developments expected the next 5 days. That's good news. Show you the GFS model real fast. You can see it was trying to develop a storm wind in the Gulf. That's gone for now. Okay, so not looking at that. Great news there. European model, same thing. Always was quiet. It didn't think anything was developing. It still doesn't think anything's developing right now. But there you go. That is the dust. You see all the brown in here? This dries out the rain, okay? So, and obviously stops tropical development as well too. So you can see it all pushing across the central and eastern Caribbean up towards Cuba. This is gonna move over top of us. Watch this. This is Saturday. Look at all of that in our area. See all of this? That's gonna soak up some of that moisture that gives us all those afternoon showers and storms. This is Sunday and Monday. See, it kind of wraps around and sticks in the area. So this will cut rain chances back a bit. This will make it a little hazy out there. We can add some color sometimes, yellows and reds to the sunsets, although we're going to see a lot of clouds around. But it will start to cut rain chances, I think, a little bit. And then eventually that will kind of fall apart. Notice some of it's lingering here in the Western Caribbean and the Gulf, and so that'll end up giving us that chance for some for development, but really that kind of tends to dry things out a little bit. Here's the moisture. That's through Monday. This is for Tuesday as well too, and we just don't get a very good break. So what's happening is we're fighting the dust. If we can get enough dust in here, we won't get as much rain. If it mixes in pretty much and we don't get it, we'll get more rain. But right now I think chances will go down a little bit, but certainly in a rainy season pattern where each afternoon we could be looking at afternoon showers and thunderstorms. It's just that time of year with that much moisture in place. So there it is, guys. There's your 7-day forecast, and you can see rain chances kind of drop back a little bit to around 30% as we get going into the rest of the work week. All right, there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll come in here and answer your questions just a little bit.
Next, if you're buying formula off social media, we walk you through what to look for to keep your baby safe.